Hello everyone, this is Saas from the team Alt from the track Saas, and I'm presenting you WorkPulse, seamlessly integrating Jira and Slack, empowering managers with AI-driven insights into the team's progress. So let's get started with this. So we have integrated Jira and Slack, you know, to get all the information needed to the manager. So now a manager has a project under it, and all the employees are chatting about it, working on it remotely from their homes on the Slack channels. So that's why we need Slack over here. Let's continue with the Slack, and I'll tell you why we need it. So all the messages, that they post on the Slack channels, we can use those messages to do sentiment analysis, to know all the moods, what are the moods of the, all the employees. Does the employee need a break or anything? Everything, what kind of task they are doing, have they completed a task or everything from the Slack messages we can use it to do sentiment analysis or give a summary about the task. So we are also integrating Jira. So let's connect with Jira first, and I'll explain it to you. So through Jira we can actually take all the tasks that are assigned to an employee or all the tasks that are assigned to every employee, and we can track them, have they done it or not. So through Jira, we can actually see all the to-dos they're doing or they completed, and we can track whether they are completed or not. But the main MVP of our project is our chat system. So the manager simply has to, come over here and just give a command or a prompt to the chat, and the chat will take all the necessary information from Jira, Trello, and Slack and give you a final answer on it. So now let's just, for example, take an example of Sahil Suryavanshi as an employee and ask him to give us a summary on all the tasks that he has done. So for that, let's just tell him, give me summary on Sahil Suryavanshi's task. Now, what our system will do is it will collect all the data, through Jira, through Trello, through Slack, and first store it into a vector database. Through that, what we our LLM will do is, it will first embed all the data and then take it to process it and then give us it will generate a final answer for us. The final answer will have all the details that are required, what task he has done, what all processes that are going with him, what task he's currently doing, what messages he has sent, what is the mood of him, what is the mood he is currently in. Is he positive? Does he need breaks? So as you can see, based on the recent messages from Slack channel, Sahil Suryavanshi has been actively working on various tasks. All the tasks that that are given to him on Jira, building prompts for LLM, integrating GPT, and everything. Now these are all the tasks that are actually given him to the through the Jira app. So let's go to the Jira app, and as you can see, these are all the tasks that are assigned. The SS represents science solution. So integrating the OpenAI GPT-4 API, or get the rest of the APIs for data fetching, building the prompts, all these tasks. And not only these, but also a little, smaller tasks that he has personally divided into. Creating a dashboard or everything will be also fetched through the Slack chatbot. So now let's move on to the Slack channels. So this is our channel that we have created for this hackathon, Mumbai Hacks. It has all the chats between our group, all the code snippets that we are sending each other to try out. All of it, it is present in the Slack channels. So our application not only has these options or these features, but it also has multilingual support. So now let's suppose the manager wants to ask about Sahil Niksh's task summary, but he wants to ask it in Hindi language. So what we will do is, now let's just take this translation of give me summary on Sahil Niksh's task. It is translated to Hindi. We'll copy this over here and just paste it over here. It is also, going to translate this and give a summary, the same kind of summary on Sahil Niksh's. But as you can see, it has already given us it has already given us the answer based on the prompt. It is obviously Hindi, as we have custom on Hindi, but not only that, we have also integrated a sending message for now. So in the Slacks app, you can send a direct message through this chat to the Slacks channel. So now let's say sent a positive message to the Slack channel. Now I've given the input. Now it will generate a positive message for the employees, and it will automatically give the message in the Slack channels. So as you can see, I have pushed the positive message to the Slack channel. Now if we go onto the Slack, it a message will be there, which is created by the system. Now let's go. We'll scroll down, and as you can see, RN Nagvanshi. Hello, everyone. Hope all your work is going great. Don't forget to take breaks in between works. Your health is also very valuable to us. So, this is basically our system that we have created for this hackathon. Now, let's move on to the business side of this project. So, what business plan we have came up with is, as this is a SaaS project, we are going to integrate this is subscription based models. So for subscriptions, we have various plans. First is subscription model. Various institutes or organizations that don't need that much amount of computational resources of Jira and everything. We can give them a subscription model. We also will offer pay per use. Every use or every group they integrate our app with, we will charge them for that. Enterprise licensing is for, let's say a big enterprise wants to use our application, so we will tell them all their customized requirements. So for example, it might need a specialized AI report, generated on each and every one of their employees. So we can do that as well, with the help of our LLM model. And partnerships and integrations, we can partner with various techs and wellness providers to enhance the capabilities of our, not only our product or our system, but also theirs. These are actually the business plans. Now, the future prospects. We actually wanted to integrate a lot of more of the apps, the productivity apps such as Microsoft Teams, ClickUp. But due to the time restraint of 24 hours, we couldn't do it, and we were stuck with only the three apps: Jira, Slack, and Trello. But no worries, we can integrate them as well. The second one is creating an extension for pro users. So now let's say you are a pro user in a big company. You need for your team, whole team, you need a for your whole team you need this. So we can give an extension, direct extension. You don't need to integrate into the system. And the third one is adding a meeting summarizer. After all the meetings, the application or the extension will give a summarize of the meeting, that all the points that have been discussed into the meeting, it will give a meeting summarizer. I think that's it from us, and thank you very much.